Welcome to Mad Hatter Bags, the Pride Edition. Thanks so much for joining my channel and showing your support. I hope everyone has a wonderful Pride Month. Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch this video. I appreciate that. Y'all, today we're going to unbox a couple of different items. One is a Pride bag. I wanted to get a couple of Pride bags for this month since it's June month and Pride. I wanted one from Coach, but they didn't do a Pride drop this year or collection at all in 2026. They haven't done one in a couple of years, and I know I've been complaining about that, and I will probably still continue complaining because I feel like we should have got one. But I digress from that. This bag is called the Coach Jamie Camera Bag. So it came from Amazon. It's from a previous Pride collection maybe a couple of years ago. It's got some little stickers on it, like sticker print with some signature canvas on it as well. But we're gonna unbox that together. And then I also have a couple of items I got from Coach Outlet recently, and this is the Graham Crossbody. It came in a car print and a deep blue color, really pretty, and I'm hoping I'm gonna like it. And it came with a taxi charm as well that I got. So we're gonna unbox those items. Before I do the unboxings though, I'd love to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post stuff on Instagram all the time, so y'all check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, shopping links, discount codes, and you can find my Depop closet and shop there and my Mercari closet as well. So check those out. And lastly, if everybody could just stop for one moment before you leave this video and give me a big thumbs up, it does help the channel to grow, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all for doing that. So thank you so much. And everybody, happy Pride. So it is Pride Month, and I am doing a video daily on my channel in my short section, and I'm gonna style a bag every day for Pride. So y'all check that out if you haven't. It's the short section under my channel. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get on with these unboxings. Like I said, the first one came from Amazon, and it's looking a little small, y'all, but it is in this little tiny box here. And this is the Jamie camera bag. And I really just wanted a couple of Pride bags for this month. So I have this one, and then I have another couple coming, but it's a handmade bag that's coming, and it's from a company called Zatchels, and it's from the UK. So it's really cute. It's got some rainbow print on it, and it's a couple of bags I got. I thought they were really nice, so I ordered them, and they're actually hand making them, so they're really nice leather. But y'all definitely stay tuned for those. But let's get into this Jamie bag here from Amazon, and let's see what they sent me. Let me get my cat claw out here because I got some tape on it. And we're gonna see what they sent, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to keep this bag in my collection. I have several small bags you might see behind me on the shelf there from previous Coach collections, and I really love those in the rainbow print. All right, so let's get into this box here and see what they've sent here. I'm afraid this bag is gonna be too small, but we'll see. It's very tight in the box here. Let's pull it out and see what I've got here. This came from, of course, Amazon, like I said, but it says it was new. It wasn't from the Coach website. It was from like a secondary seller on there, and it was like Sneak or something. I can put it up on the screen here so I can show you. But there was two options to get it, and it said brand new. So let's see what we got here. Let's see if it's wrapped up new or how it comes. Who knows? You never know. All right, so here it is. And it's upside down, of course. So, all right, so it is really cute, y'all. Oh my God, look, so cute. So why is Coach not doing a Pride drop this year, y'all? Look how cute this could be. And they could really do some cute stuff. So like I said, this bag is brand new, and it looks like it is brand new. So I will probably definitely keep this. It's just very small, but I collect these smaller bags, especially the Pride versions of them. And I have them in my collection, and I can just grab them and use them. But it smells nice, and it has a fresh scent to it. It looks new. It just doesn't have any kind of plastic or any protection on the hardware, as you can see there, but it does have the tag still attached, so it must be pretty new. So I will definitely probably keep this, and I do like the stickers on it. Let me just do a little 360 here, and we're gonna go inside of it too. Hopefully it has a strap on the inside of it. So there's the front with the stickers. Look how cute. It says Ride with Pride on that one at the top. I love that. And then of course you got some other ones in rainbow that says Coach. So that's really cute. A skateboard with the signature on it, and then it's got like a little pin there. This is actually a little pin, not a patch, that's on the bag and the hearts there. So very nice. And then of course your back here has the signature print as well, and it's got two D-rings on the side in that silver hardware there. Okay, so and there's the bottom of it, and it does have this pocket on the back here that you can store stuff down in, so that's nice. And I love the big Coach in silver on the front. All right, so let's open up the top. It's got a nice zipper here in silver. Let's see what's on the inside of the bag. And this is what I really love. Look at this beautiful rainbow strap in there. So that's really nice. And it also came with a rainbow hang tag as well. So, and like I said, this is available on Amazon, and I guess you could probably still get one. I'll leave the description in the video. It has some small little leash style attachments there. And of course, they say Coach on the ends there, but it's really nice. And it's a pretty long crossbody strap. I'll show you what this bag looks like on, but let me show you the interior of the bag. All right, so it does have a little bit of packaging, it looks like on there, still the little plastic part there. Let me take that off underneath. So there is the interior of this bag. So it's a really nice, just kind of neutral color. And then you have a slip pocket right here. It's got some paperwork down in there. And then of course your story patch there. Looks like it has the rainbow print on it as well. So let me see if I can show you all that. So there's the little story patch, and you can see it's in like a rainbow color that says Coach. So very nice little addition to my Pride crossbody collection. You know, I complained about my husband Josh having these small crossbody bags, and here I am getting another one. So all right, y'all, so that's really cute. And I love that the strap is this beautiful rainbow print. Look at that, it's adjustable, and it comes with a little hang tag on it. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like on, but I'm gonna do all the bags in a minute. But first, let's unbox my other stuff from the Coach outlet. But so far, I really love this little bag, and I'm so happy I got it. And I had like a little voucher from a company that saved me $80. So I got this bag for like $100. It was like $155. So I got this really cheap, y'all, and I was happy to get a deal from Amazon. So we're going to Art Walk downtown in Mobile tonight. Hopefully if it doesn't rain. It's looking kind of shady outside, so I'm not sure, but if we go, I might just have to wear this new bag down to Pride Art Walk. So that's gonna be fun. All right, so let's get into the Coach outlet stuff that I got here. Let me put this stuff out of the way. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and we're gonna open up that Graham crossbody. This came from Coach outlet a few days ago. This actually took a while to come. I was really kind of shocked, and it came in a nice asbestos envelope. Thank you so much, Coach. I accidentally ripped the label on it, so that's ripped and it got everywhere. So already a mess, but let's open it up here. Hopefully I can get this tab to open up without getting stuff everywhere any further than what I've done. I wish they would stop sending bags in these envelopes like this. They're just so nasty and messy. Okay, so there is the little Coach paper that came in it. And this stuff is like shedding all over my desk, y'all. It's terrible. I'm gonna have to vacuum this whole room. Let me get rid of that envelope. It's just terrible. All right, so here is the charm in there. And then here is the bag on the inside. But I saw this bag, and this looks like, I mean, it doesn't look like it's brand new, honestly. This looks like it's already been opened, but I've said that before, and the bags are fine. We'll see. But yeah, so I saw this bag on TikTok, and it looked like it was this kind of metallic-y blue color on TikTok, but you never know what you're gonna see on TikTok. People use filters and stuff all the time, so I'm hoping that it looks like that. If not, and I just don't love it, I may return it, but we'll see. But let's get into it and see what it looks like here. You know, sometimes that TikTok can be kind of deceptive. You have to really look at stuff, and I like to go in the store and see it, but I haven't had a chance to go to the outlet, and y'all know this stuff sells out so quick. I just went ahead and ordered it. But yeah, let's get into it. It looks like somebody's already unwrapped this, honestly, but who knows? Let's see. Still has the other wrapping on it, so maybe not, but I'll open it up here. And I will say, it doesn't look metallic-y at all, so the TikTok got me, it fooled me. It's just a blue color. I don't see any kind of shimmery look to it. There was like a wallet and some other stuff that I saw in it. It had like a shimmer to it, so this doesn't have that at all. So it is cute though. It has all these little cars and taxis on it. So there it is, there's the front of it. Very nice, the leather's nice. It's like a pebbled leather, and you've got some different, looks like little taxis all over it. And then of course you've got a crossbody strap. The crossbody strap, which I don't really care for, doesn't come off. So that's one thing that I kind of don't like, but let me take all this packaging off and we'll come back and I'll show you. There's the back of it. It does have a pocket in the back to put stuff on. And it's got a double zipper on the top. So it's cute. And like I said, I've got the little charm that goes on it. I may just be returning the bag and keep the charm, so we'll see. But let me take all the packaging off and I'll show you what it looks like otherwise. All right, y'all, I got all of the packaging off of the little bag here, and this is the Graham crossbody. There's the front of it again. And let me just do a little spin here for you. There's the sides of it. And then there's the back of it with the nice deep slip pocket. You could put your phone down in there. It would definitely fit a nice big phone in it. I do not care that the strap doesn't come off, but I wish they would make straps to come off on all these bags, but they don't sometimes. It's got a double zipper there, and it's got the leather little tab on the end, and you've got your hang tag on one side. And then here is the bottom of it. And then on the top here, like I said, you've got two big, thick double zippers there. Let's open them up and I'll show you the interior. Of course, the strap is adjustable on it. And then the interior of it is just a black color, and it's just one big pocket on that front pocket. But it's very roomy, and it's a little bit bigger than that other small bag I just showed y'all because it's a little bit wider. The second pocket here, you're gonna have just a big opening here that's the same color, and then you also have another little pocket here that's a slip pocket on the inside. And then of course it's got the story patch on the inside there, okay? So that is the little bag. The leather feels nice on this bag, but like I said, I'll see if I can find the video that I saw that was real shimmery on TikTok, and I'll put a little image of it up there so you can see the difference of what you're looking at here, because like I said, this doesn't have any kind of shimmer to it whatsoever, as you can see. But so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep it or not, but we'll see. It is cute, and maybe after I open the charm up, I'll actually want to keep it. So let's open the charm up, y'all, and see what it looks like. Definitely probably gonna keep the charm because it's such a cute little taxi. All right, so let's see what we've got here. And then I'm gonna try all these bags on for you so you can see what they look like on me. All right, here is the charm. All right, it's wrapped up nicely, and it's really cute. It's just a little taxi there in yellow, and it's got like a blue leather behind it. All right, and of course it's got silver hardware on it, and you've got just your regular little like key ring and your little attachment piece there. But I always take, if I use this as a charm, I'm gonna take that key ring off every time, y'all. I don't need a keychain on my charms, but it's okay that they put it on there. I've got so many of those though. All right, so there it is, and of course your silver hardware there with your Coach logoing and everything, but it's really nice. The back of it does say Coach on there too, if you can see that. So very nice, and it's just a navy blue color on the back. So let's see what it looks like actually on this little bag. I'm just gonna put it on the little side here. All right, so there it is on the bag. Cute. Let's move it over here to the front where we can actually see it a little bit better. All right, y'all, so there it is with the charm on it. Super cute. So let me try these bags both on for you so you can see what they look like. All right, y'all, let's start with the Pride Jamie camera bag here. We're gonna try it on and see what it looks like. I love the strap on it, it's so nice. And I love the fact that it has this little D-ring on the strap here. So you can put your hang tag or you can put a charm on it. So that's a really nice feature. I wish they would do that on all straps. But let's see what it looks like. I've got it extended all the way out here on me. So there is what it looks like on me. Very nice length, and I like this little bag. I think it's cute. And it's a Pride bag. So I actually got a Pride bag this year, even though they didn't come out with a collection. So maybe I should have just got it when it first came out, but I don't remember seeing this bag, honestly. So I was pleasantly surprised to find it on Amazon. So it's super cute. I think it is really cute on too. So that's a really nice find there. Like I said, I got it for a steal. So let's try on this Graham crossbody here, and it's still got the little charm on it, but let's try it on and see what it looks like. I'm gonna extend it all the way out though because it's too short right now. The strap on this one is nice. It's kind of silky, but it adjusts and it's very long. We'll adjust it all the way out so we can see how long it is. So here it is. Super cute, but like I said, I just don't know that I want this bag with the straps not coming off. All right, so there it is. There is the length on this one. It's a good length. It's about the same kind of length there, I think, but I don't know. What do y'all think? It's cute, and I like the fact that it might hold a little bit more, but I don't know. I just got so many of these. So I'm not really sure. And like I said, I was really hoping that it had that shimmery blue to it, but it just doesn't. So I don't know. This might be a return, but I like the print on it. What do y'all think about this car print on this bag for men? It's nice. All right, y'all, so that's both of my little crossbodies. I'm super happy with both of them. Just not sure if I'm gonna keep this one because it wasn't as shimmery blue as I thought, and I'm gonna put that video up. Hopefully I can find it so you can see it. If not, try to look on TikTok and you'll see what I'm talking about. But y'all be careful of TikTok because it can always trick you. All right, y'all, so that is my review for today on these bags. I'm so happy that I got this little Pride bag and found it on Amazon. I thought it was gonna be too small, but it's actually really nice and I can be able to carry it. Like I said, we're gonna take it out to Art Walk tonight. And then of course my other little Graham crossbody here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but y'all tell me what you think about these bags in the comments. I do appreciate y'all tuning in to watch my video. Happy Pride to everyone, and I hope everybody has a great weekend. And I'll see y'all next week sometime. I have some other unboxings coming up, so y'all definitely stay tuned for that. And don't forget to check out my shorts daily through the month of June. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Thanks so much for joining my channel and showing your support. I hope everyone has a wonderful Pride Month.